tired of getting your staples on your paper by hand and cutting yourself? Sure. Well, not anymore. You have probably ran into this problem. No staples? Well, I am the man with the solution to your endeavors.
I need to staple these papers together to put on the staples that don't work. What am I gonna do? God? Is that you?
No, it's Ricky Davis.
Hey, that looks really well. Oh.
Thanks, Ricky Davis.
Ricky Davis here. Are any of you available for a short interview?
You got it, Cub.
What am I supposed to do?
What? Anything.
Alright, so we were hoping to get your opinions on the world's greatest stapler.
The world's greatest stapler?
World's greatest stapler.
Sleigh builder?
Stapler.
Oh, you messed up? Alright,
8 times now. It's getting tiring.
probably the one in the classroom, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah? What if I could tell you that you can have it for the low price of $3 billion?
I would say screw off.
That's too bad. Hi, Ricky Davis here. Are you available for a short interview?
Would you answer for me?
Alright, this guy over here is.
I'm not doing it. No, I'm captain, but I want.
No, I'm Cub.
Sure.
Alright, what are your opinions on the world's greatest stapler?
Sounds fantastic. Sounds great.
It is fantastic. What if I were to tell you that you can have it for the low, low price of $3 million?
Great. Yeah, sure, great.
You should buy one.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Hi, Ricky Davis here. Are you available for a short interview?
Sure.
All right. What are your opinions on the world's greatest stapler?
The world's greatest what?
Stapler.
Stapler?
Stapler.
It's pretty good, I guess.
All right. Well, what if I were to tell you for the low, low price of your soul, you can have it now?
No, thank you.
Sir, I like your t-shirt. So are you available for a short interview?
I think so, yeah.
All right. We would like to get your opinion on the world's greatest stapler.
Well, I mean, it's pretty great. Never runs out of staples somehow. You know, it's red. That's a big perk. Yeah, it's pretty good.
Now, what if I were to tell you that you can purchase it for the low price of $2.5 billion right now?
I'm still broke.
If you would like to purchase the world's greatest stapler for yourself, just call the number 1-800-555